So my name is Amy and I am working in Cassidy Dental in Magherafelt. I'm currently studying in the City and Guilds Diploma in Dental Nursing. What encouraged me was that the course was so flexible. So you have one evening that's in the college and another evening that's online. So it means that you're able to work full time alongside the course and gain skills in practice alongside completing your diploma. What I liked about the course was that you got really good peer support. There's other, obviously, trainee dental nurses on the course and you can really learn off them. I also really loved how encouraging the tutors were on the course. They were really flexible with your working hours and understanding that you're working full time alongside the course. As part of our course, we had to undertake a first aid certificate as well, which was really beneficial to bring back to my practice. So one of the areas I found really interesting in the course was the implant nursing side of things. So my dental practice, Cassidy Dental in Magherafelt, do implants. So I found this really beneficial to my learning because I could take it back to my workplace. Another part of the course that was really interesting was the oral health side of things. Moving on from this course, I've been really encouraged to look further and develop my skills in dental nursing. So I would love to continue learning and hopefully go on to do my dental implant nursing. The tutors have been really encouraging and are able to signpost you to different courses that they think would suit you. So I would highly recommend the Northern Regional College's City and Guild Diploma in Dental Nursing. I find all the staff and my peers so encouraging and I just loved the structure of the course. I thought the mix of being in class and online was really helpful to me and I loved the fact that you could work alongside this course as well. So yeah, highly recommend.